Welcome to this instructional video on installing a glass railing. Brought to you by RF Transparent, the leading Canadian supplier of frameless glass railing. Join us on this installation journey on our latest project. As a first step, our team will drop a line to define the glass alignment. Ensure the line is marked accurately as it will determine the alignment of the railing. The spigot should be placed at approximately 25% of the glass length from the edge for maximum stability. This location may be adjusted slightly depending on your project's specific requirements. Based on the glass measurement selected for your project, mark these dimensions on the ground as well as the location of the spigot. Pre-drill the appropriate holes in the marked location in preparation for the next step. While ensuring the spigot is still aligned, screw in the screws. Ensure all the spigots are level to the surface. Now that our spigots are drilled and aligned, it's time to bring in the glass panels. This delicate step requires two people. Carefully slide the glass into the two spigots, ensuring that the rubber inside the spigot is ready to receive the panel. Begin by installing the hinges to the gate support panel. Then, proceed by connecting the gate to the existing hinges. It is important to level the gate so it connects seamlessly to the adjacent glass. The next step is to install the magnetic lock that will allow your door to be self-closing. You can customize the closing speed of the hinges by adjusting the tension in the spring to achieve the desired force. The last item of the gate is the floor lock. We need to drill a hole for the lock. Ensure all the glass panels are level to the same height and adjust the alignment using the adjustment screw to achieve a perfectly straight line. step involves installing the connectors at the top of the railing to further ensure precise alignment. And voila! This is how it should be done. Thank you for tuning in to the installation video. If you have any questions, feel free to consult our website, rftransparent.ca.